festive. I am. I mean, it's a celebration of music. It's a celebration of black music. The spirit of black music is in the air. And it's almost like a high school reunion. I've seen a lot of people who came up with. I've seen a lot of freshmen, like freshman orientation day up in here.
It's a great way to put it.
Old heads like me, we come back and see what's cracking. So it's a great night.
Who are you most excited to see perform tonight?
There's so much going on tonight that I'm really excited about. I'm excited to be part of the I got Janelle. I got tonight. I'll bring it right back. I'll personally bring it back.
Talk about soul, right?
Talk about soul.
Talk about soul.
Next up, we have Soul Pastor of Detroit Reloaded and Miss Ruth Irene.
Thank you, love. What's going on, man? How you doing? I like this Gucci. What we doing?
Next, we have Soul Train Award performer Miss Allison Cambridge. Miss Allison Cambridge.
I did. I wanted it.
They're ready for him. That's
Hey, I'm a big fan.
That's nice. Fans are good. Can't live without.
That's right. Okay, so how does it feel to be on the red carpet?
It always feels good to be on the red carpet because if you're on the red carpet, it means you're celebrating something. Tonight we're celebrating the Soul Train Award, so I'm happy to be here.
Okay, great. Okay, so do you have anything coming up? You have anything coming up?
Yeah, of course. I got about 3 movies in the can. Next one is from Lionsgate. It's called I Really Hate My Ex. And my band, Me on the People's Singing Love is a Beautiful Thing.
Next up, we have Trey Songz.
Where can our readers follow you? Where can we follow you? Our readers?
You can follow me on my Twitter, which is @JustLeon.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good night.
Joe to sing.